Darling, you send me, I know.
Hi guys, it's me Malika. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, sharing with you guys the most sustainable skincare that I recently included to my winter skin glow routine. Well, you are just 2 steps away, so keep watching. Firstly, cleanse your face with plain water. Here I'm using a wet facial pad which is really doing wonders for my skin. Now the very first step is the mask. It's a Mighty Mulberry mask by Ilana. It includes hyaluronic acid plus olive squalene plus vitamin C, which is really amazing. Just add the thin layer to your skin. Best part, it's a serum formula mask, which is kind of a liquidy mask, which you guys gonna love. And wait for just 10 minutes. The mask gets transy and wow, the results are really amazing. You can already tell that. Okay, so now coming to the second step, it's a serum. Again, a Mighty Mulberry collection by Ilana. That again includes hyaluronic acid plus vitamin C plus pineapple serum plus blackberry serum, which is really amazing. I love using serums and I love everything about the serums. They make your skin plumpy, glowy and so amazing. Just gently massage it in your skin and that's it guys. You are sorted. Really gonna do well for your skin, I'm sure about that. So all the links are in the description box guys, just go and check it out, grab yours now. That's it guys, I'll see you in my next with more fun videos. Till then, toodles.
Darling, you